Sorry for all the smoke. I have the griddle heated up to medium low, but maybe I had too much oil on it from after I cooked last time. Sometimes it gets weird. I could have it turned up high and it's cold. Sometimes I have it turned down low and this happens. What can you do? We can cook supper, that's what we can do. We're doing a quick and easy stir fry. We had some beef that we chopped up ahead of time. And we'll throw that on to get it browned. Now, right now, because it was smoking, I turned it down to low, medium low. How low can you go? This is my granulated garlic, coarse salt, coarse pepper, and other seasonings mixed. Look at that. This griddle is hot. It should not be this hot on low. Sometimes, man, I just don't know. It does weird things. Then again, I do weird things, so it evens out. Yeah. I've been experimenting with this Badia Complete, and so far I like it. It's kind of like Mrs. Dash. Does have MSG for you MSG haters. Just be forewarned. Man, this is... Look how fast. On low. It's just cooking up a storm. So, bird's eye, steam fresh, broccoli, carrots, sugar snap peas, and water chestnuts. Kind of perfect for a stir fry, don't you think? Sounds perfect to me. Throw that over there. Throw on some more oil. Turn this as low as it'll get. And this thing, it's a little scary. It stopped smoking now. Okay. We're not only going with frozen vegetables, we've got, it was on sale. Let me pull off the sale tag if I can. Anyway, cauliflower hash. It's got cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, and green onion in a nice little on sale hash. That's what we're using instead of rice, because we can. So we'll toss it on here with the frozen stuff. Oh, pick up my trash. Da, da, da. Look at that. And that looks cauliflowery. The frozen carrots keep trying to stick to my spatula. Push our meat over here to the edge for now. Splash a little more oil since we got the cauliflower. Not quite rice cauliflower, but it's close. And since it's a stir fry, we need some soy sauce. And we'll give that a quick stir. Can't have stir fry without the stir. It's entirely possible I'm stir crazy. Or just crazy. You may be right. I may be crazy. But it might just be a lunatic you're looking for. Starting to look something. You know what I think it needs now? I still have some stir fry sauce. Usually I use hoisin sauce. I need to go ahead and finish up my stir fry sauce. That will complete the stir fry sauce. We can bid it adieu. We can tell it goodbye. Hey, hey. Bye, bye. Ooh. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm not sure where, but we're getting somewhere. So, what do you think? Does it look cooked? Does it look stirred? Does it look fried? Does it look like a cauliflower rice stir fry something or other? It's starting to look like supper to me. That's what it looks like. See if the frozen carrots are telling me they're done. That's usually the lone holdout. Carrots like to take a little longer. They're like potatoes. They take longer to cook. Let's scrape off all this. Let's turn off this. Let's pick you up. Spin you right round like record baby. What do you think? For a smoking griddle, I think that's pretty good. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day. And that's a wrap. Bye!